Replacing the air filter in your LG refrigerator isn't rocket science, but it might feel that way the first time you try it. Trust me, we've all opened the door, looked inside, and had no idea where to start. First, let's crack the mystery of where the air filter even is. It's usually inside a little housing on the back wall of your refrigerator's fresh food compartment. I know, that part of the fridge nobody even looks at unless something smells weird. You'll see a round or oval cover with a tiny twist-to-remove design. That right there is your filter housing. It's like the secret door to your fridge's lungs. Don't yank it. Just give it a gentle turn counterclockwise like you're opening a child-proof cap. Once it's off, you'll find the used-up air filter inside. These things usually last about 6 months. But if your fridge starts to smell like forgotten burritos or produce from 2022, it's time to swap it out early. The model number for the filter matters. LG uses a few different filter types, but the most common one is the ADQ7321404 or the LT120F if you're Googling. Double-check this number before buying a replacement, or you'll end up starting over. Slide the new filter in with the charcoal side facing out. It fits in one way, awkwardly but snugly. You'll feel a slight click or resistance. That's normal. If you're forcing it, you're doing it wrong. Fridges aren't puzzles, but they punish impatience. Now put the cover back on and twist it clockwise. It should lock into place with a firm but easy motion. Don't over-tighten it like you're sealing a jar of homemade jam, just enough so it feels secure. Fridges don't need CrossFit-level strength. Here's where a lot of people mess up. They forget to reset the air filter light on the refrigerator. Without this step, your fridge will keep flashing change filter at you like some passive-aggressive roommate. Hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds until it beeps. If you don't know where the reset button is, open your refrigerator manual, or what most people do, Google your LG model air filter reset. 9 times out of 10, it's near the temperature control panel or under a menu labeled Options or Settings. You'll know it worked because the light goes off or resets to 100%. That's your fridge saying thank you after breathing clean air again. Kind of poetic for a machine that mostly holds cheese and soda. Pro tip, set a calendar reminder for 6 months out, or better yet, subscribe to filter refills on Amazon. No judgment, we're all just trying to survive modern appliance maintenance without losing what's left of our sanity. The whole swap takes under 5 minutes once you know what you're doing. Less time than it takes to watch a single episode of The Office or dig through your fridge, wondering where that smell is coming from.